The fucking sense God gave him. Hold on, man. Watch out. Hold on, Bubba. Watch out. Damn. See him fucking fishing here. Y'all got 2 damn docks. It's fucking dumb. The fuck? Could have used the other fucking dock. So y'all could have used the other dock. Y'all see him fishing right here. Damn, gonna run over my fucking pole. Fuck. Could have went over here. Speak English, motherfucker. Speak English. Punto, pendejo. What's up? What's up? What's up? You want it? Come get it. Ooh. Come here, boy. Come here. I'll fuck you up. Come get it. You on recording too, homeboy? You'll get live and your ass whooped. What's up? You want it? Who wants it? I was right there.